So, interesting question in linear equation in two variables. Find a value of k so that x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 1 is a solution of the linear equation. X equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 1 is a solution of the linear equation. Find the unknown constant k. You can expect either 1 marks or 2 mark question. So, given data x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 1, substitute in equation 1. If you substitute in equation 1, which implies 9k into x, the value of x is minus 1, plus 12k into y, 12k into minus 1 equal to 63, correct, which implies minus 9k minus 12k equal to 63, minus 9k minus equal to 63, which if you add these two cases, minus 9 minus 12 is minus 21, minus 21k equal to 63. So, what is the value of k? K equal to 63 minus 21. The value of k is 63 by minus 21 is minus 3. Given that x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 1 is a solution, and hence it satisfies the linear equation. That is a definition of solution. If a point is a solution of the linear equation, it always satisfies the linear equation. Using that concept, substitute the given data, you can find the value of k. Thank you.